Hey guys, Inder this side from 24/7 Everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video and this time it's on Samsung Galaxy F41. So in this particular video we'll be going to see how to resolve all the underlying issues related to network on your Samsung Galaxy F41. So let's begin with that. So basically I am assuming that maybe you are facing network related issues on your phone. Sometime you are connected to Wi-Fi but unable to access it, but on the other hand the same Wi-Fi is accessible and running on another phone, and you are fed up of changing those settings and so on, and you are planning to do factory reset. But I'll surely recommend you that or suggest you that if you will follow this part, maybe that can save you a lot of time, because to do a factory data reset, firstly you have to take backup, you have to reset your phone, afterward you have to restore the data, then again have to reinstall the apps and so on. That will take nearly about 4 to 5 hours, and in certain cases more than that as well. So for that, what you have to do, just tap on settings button. Afterward, just move to the below section where you will see about phone, and afterward just tap on this reset button or reset icon. Afterward you will be prompted with this particular section. So you just have to tap on reset network setting, and afterward it will give you a prompt like this will reset all the network settings, including those for Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth and so on. Before I'll be tapping on reset setting, let me confirm you one thing. So as of now I am connected to a Wi-Fi connection, and it is also listing me the name of that particular Wi-Fi connection as well. As soon as I'll be clicking here, it will be like only connect, it will be reset and it will not be showing me any Wi-Fi connectivity. So if you are good to go with the reset settings, like you know that after doing this you have to re-enter your Wi-Fi connections, you might have to reset mobile data, or I would say you have to set up mobile data related settings, be it for Wi-Fi connectivity or some other things. And aside to that, you might have to repair some of the Bluetooth devices that you have paired in the past. So because this will reset all those settings. So you just, if you are good to go, then just tap on reset setting. Afterward it will give you a final prompt like all network settings will be reset, this action can't be undone. Okay, so at my side I am pretty sure that I have everything, that's why I am going to tap on reset setting. Afterward it will show you a prompt network settings reset. And now if you will go to that particular Wi-Fi related action, you will see that it is showing me connectivity, but before that it was showing me Wi-Fi name, but it's not now. If I long press here, and I'll see that particular available network, and this time if I'll tap it, it will ask me to enter the password again, because all the network settings have been reset. So basically in this particular fashion it will also reset some mobile data related settings if you have done, or maybe Bluetooth related settings and so on. So by this way you will be able to resolve all the underlying network related problems on your Samsung Galaxy F41. So hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family, and apart from this, please subscribe to our channel, because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.